cold one today, I tell you. Let's get cracking. Right, so if you remember, this baby's smoking. Should we make a smoke so you know it's actually smoking? And I think it's the motor. So I've read up on YouTube. The good old YouTube. Should we make it smoke and swap this motor over? Oh wait, let's make it smoke. First thing you need to do is put these on. Oh, is that yes, sir? Yep, okay. I'll turn the volume down for you so it's not that noisy. You see that? You can see that? Woo! Alright. Woo! It wasn't burnt out. Burnt out now, like, innit? Wouldn't even turn on, I don't think. Oh, it will. Oh, well, let's crack it open and see what's going on. I think that's more than the motor, though, do you? Oh, the big reveal. It's a new motor. That's a big motor. Alright. Doesn't smell. Okay. Right. We'll whip this apart. See what's going on, eh? Tiny little screws. See if this little one fits. Nope. No. Well. See if this one fits. I doubt it will. Nope. Yeah, it helps when you know what you're doing, isn't it? We should look through the little box of tranquilities. I reckon that'll do it. I don't know if you can see what my hand was doing. And give that one a go. I think they might be too small. Can't bloody win, can you? Too big, too small. I think I can see better now. My eye has enlarged. Let's give it a go. It turns. It turns. Got to put a bit of pressure on, but it turns. Right, I'll unscrew these and then we'll jump straight to it. Right, out. The screws are out. They're all the same size, so don't you worry about that. We might need this. It's giving us a bit of jip. Oh God, what have I missed? I've missed something, haven't I? Oh, probably need to take them off. Yeah, I had to take them two screws out. You pull that, and then only one side comes off. Oh no! It fell on the floor. Some sort of pin. What's a pin for? Oh God! Right. Save that piece for later, eh? Hopefully you can see what I'm doing here. I think that pin just goes in that little hole there. Can you see it? Just sort of keeps it all together. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Right. As you can see, some lovely wiring in there. Oh, look at that. I thought I was going to have to solder, but I don't. Just little pins. However, I'm going to try and take this whole compartment apart now, aren't I? But I think it might be in that, the heatsink that's burnt out. Looks like a heatsink, I don't know. You tell me. Tell me in the comments. Or is it just an 18-volt converter? Right. I'm going to try and pull this apart. If there's any little tricks, I probably won't share them with you because I want you to go through the same struggle. There we go. There's a bit of a struggle there because there was no more screws. Seems like all the screws are the same size. Stuck the little flatty in there and just, prise that out. Oh, there you go. There we go. Don't want to damage. Oh, look, it's a little torch. It's not damage me little torch. Come on. There we go. I have to try and remember how this all goes back together. Right. Another 4 screws to take out. Like, well, I've got a good memory. Brain juice. Totally remember now. Totally remember. All goes back there now. Already took 2 of the big bulky screws out, so these are the ones that I've come across that are different sizes. So doing this left-handed, I'm not left-handed. Got any tips? How to use the other hand when you're not that hand? Tell me. Tell me now. I need to know. And remember, I bought this off an eBay seller, second hand. Never buy second hand. Pay cheap. Pay 5 times or something like that, innit? Took the little wire out its channel. Right, there we go. So I think what you got to do, see that? The bulkhead. We'll just take them little push clips out. Hopefully that'll just pull off. Swap the motor. And it'll not make us feel noxious anymore. Yeah, as I thought. It's just them 2 little clips. And that's piping hot. That has to be the motor that's burnt out. I'll try and take it off. And I'll see. It's definitely that was stinking like. See what the crack is. Look at that. It even comes marked up. Red for positive. Better be positive. Oh, would you look at that? Just pull straight out. Ooh. I think we'll give that a clean. That don't look good. The old sniff test. Right, let's get swapping and I'll be back in a second. What I'm going to do, them 2 screws, take them off, put them onto there. Top tip, don't have anything metal lying around. Imagine I've got little bits of metal bits suck straight into there. That's going to knock it straight away, isn't it? Right, bye. So I put that on, I haven't screwed it in, only because it's got Loctite on, which makes sense, it's vibrating all the time, so let's be safe and put Loctite on before screw them in. Yep. It took most of that horrible dust off. I don't know, I should have probably worn a mask. You tell me what I've just breathed in there. Was it toxic or not? Watch this. It's like you after a curry and you try to push it out. I feel like I need to put some grease in, so I'm going to do it. Can't really stop us now. I'm going to do it. You don't have to do this, but I have. All greased up. Right, we'll take this weird looking thing away. Push those little push on clip things back on. That was a struggle. I hope you struggled too. And then you can tell us how you struggled or how much of a fool I've been. It was an easy way. Anyway, because I thread lock the doors, I want to thread lock these because again everything's vibrating. Now I feel like I need to make everything anti-vibrational so it doesn't unscrew itself. But look at this. There's a nice torch. Put some tape on there, so I'll do that. And then, do you know what I was thinking? Do you know, there was a little nick in that wire there. Do you think that could have been short circuit and stuff and it's made that go the way? Oh, it's done it again. That's the old one. It's still piping hot there. It's not really piping hot, it's just slightly warm. What's the nuts? Pick up all the screws. Do you realize it's made a short circuit? Who knows? We'll get it back together. I'll bring it back again. I'll put that bit on. And then we'll slide that on. And we'll get these little screws in. And we'll get these little screws in here. Oh, what do I do? Thread lock these. To be fair, because it's on the outer case, if they do come loose, I can just thread lock them. So yeah, that's what we'll do. What am I doing down here, you might say? Well, I heard something fall because I thought, oh, I'll hide the battery on because the little thing fits on. And everything started vibrating, and then springs fell off, and the dial fell off. And I heard something fall on the floor. And someone's died. Oh, God, look at him. Little Herman. How long's he been there for? Nah, dead. On his back now. Little incrustation. R.I.P. Yeah. So, dial fell off in this spring. I don't know if that spring's very important, but who knows? Right, well, that goes on easy enough. Where the spring came from, I don't know. Let's pretend it never happened and it didn't exist. That's in, and it's nice and sturdy this time. There's no rattle. And I had to think about it when I was asleep last night, and I woke up at 3 a.m. as you do. I was checking the wrong bit, wasn't I? I was checking the top to see if it kept the dial in, but no, see that? The spring straight into there. Ooh. And then hold your little dial on. Then that'll give it upwards pressure against the thing, and it'll all be anti-vibrational again. Right. We'll get those little 4 screws in and get the rest of the casing on and give it a good old test. Nearly all the screws back in. Oh, look at that. That's not in properly, is it? I think that one's given us jip. Thought I lost that one, but it was on the floor. I didn't lose that one. Me and the screw had a good relationship. Goes in easy, comes out easy. The head's not stripped. Put these on again. The initial test, I'll just put it on one. Just so you can hear it. Still a bit smelly, but I don't know if it's just because it's blowing out the old fragments of horribleness. Right, I think what we need to do next is have a look inside that motor. See what's going on. Yeah, you see all that stuff there. Ugh. That's like all the bits of whatever it was spinning around, giving a horrible smell. I can only imagine it's off those little fins there. What do you reckon? Let's crack this open, see what's going on. Have a look at it. You know what this means doing, yeah. I'm not using safety squints, I'm actually using goggles for this because I'm not really a fan of these. Let's get it cut open. You turn it round. Woo, woo, hot, hot. Wasn't really hot, that's just being dramatic. Let's go again. Should probably check around where I was hiding those sparks. Have a look up there. Just what you want to set a light. Don't think that'll pop off, but we can give it a little tug. Oh, it did. It did. Right. Oh, look at that. Look. Well and truly burnt that in there. What do you think that was caused from then? Come on, experts. Tell me. Oh my God. What I want to do slice through there. I want those magnets. I like magnets. Do you like magnets? I love magnets. Again, nothing's on fire. That's good. Tell you what I do when I angle grind. You'll have seen in the video, I go back and forth, just to spread out the heat. From what I know, when that disc gets really, really hot, sometimes that's what can make it shatter. Or if you're trying to go in, and just goes zzz, and you're going in on a slight angle, it's twisting the blade, and that can cause it to shatter. I mean, these, to be fair, you've got a little light somewhere there, that light there, it can feel the tension on the angle, and it'll just cut out automatically. But to be fair, I wasn't even worried about that. I was worried about my pants getting set on fire there. But anyway, let's cut the other side. See if I can get that prize apart there. Tell you what, the magnet's already starting to feel a bit strong, sticking to the vise. Get some out, look at it. Not the strongest, but they're still strong. Look, you know, like on Terminator, the T2000 just melts himself back together. T2000 0.1. Do you want to win these magnets? Well, you can. We'll put them in for a raffle. And well done to Mr. Spears. He won that last bit of metal on the last video. So get yourself in for this raffle. T2000 0.1. Okay, hours of fun you can have. Just he's gonna get you. Just in case you're interested, again, that's the motor. Totally burnt out that in there. And then, believe, unless you want to correct us, that's the bushes. They look fine, to be fair. 2 little magnets on there. I'll keep them. This is a memoir. And a quick word from an unassociated sponsor, which is me. Oh, freezing. If only I had some sort of garment that would keep me warm. Oh, body's nice and warm. Why has it got missing sleeves? I need some. Oh, better. Champion that. Lovely and warm. Got sleeves and a body warmer. What more could a man ask for? There you go. Feeling cold? Get yourself a body warmer. And if you're still feeling cold, order the sleeves. Get them right here. But don't get them right here because I've got none to sell. Get yourself down to the nearest shop. And on that note, see you in the next video. However, before we go, just a teaser. You know, like on motorbike videos and stuff. Oh, let's look in the tank. See how rusty it is. Well, on the old Allen lawnmower. Beautiful in there, innit? It's because it's plastic, so it won't rust. So I can't wait. I'm hoping it's going to be starting up dead easy, but we'll see. See you later.
Oh my God.